Hello guys, I want to show you this science potions. It comes with so much and so much bottles. It comes with food coloring. It comes with coloring. It's not new. It comes with all this. It comes with a little pot. And it comes with these. It's very nice. I like them. They're not glass. They're safe. This is the potions book. It comes with all the stuff that you can make.
So which potion are you gonna choose for our project? Which one? What is it called? Doing the wizard potion that it should give this result. Let's do it. And the pot, the magic pot.
This is the hordery.
Ah. And one big scoop of the sun powder. Where is it? Here. 6 drops of golden sunshine and 6 drops of mermaid tears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I love the mixing spoon. So magical. Ooh, green. Now we're gonna pour. Oh wow! Oh my!
Whoa! It's so nice.
Awesome!
Wow.
What do you think?
I like it. I had so much fun. I think you'll have so much fun making different potions.